Hello students, we were doing our chapter cubes and cube roots, and today we will do cube roots of products and fractions. Students, cube root of x into y, this is equals to cube root of x into cube root of y, and cube root of x upon y, this is equals to cube root of x upon cube root of y. For example, we have to find cube root of 512 into 2197. This is of the form cube root x into y. So this is equals to cube root of x into cube root of y. So cube root of 512 into cube root of 2197. Now we will find cube root of 512 and 2197 by prime factorization method. So cube root of 512 is equals to 8 and cube root of 2197, this is equals to 13. Okay, so 8 into 13, that is equals to 104. So cube root of 512 into 2197 is equals to 104. Now we have to find cube root of 729 upon 2197. This is in the form of cube root of x upon y. So cube root of x upon y is equals to cube root of x upon cube root of y. So cube root of 729 upon 2197 is equals to cube root of 729 upon cube root of 2197. Cube root of 729 by prime factorization method is 9, and cube root of 2197 by prime factorization method is 13. You can find their cube roots by prime factorization method. So the cube root of 729 upon 2197 is equals to 9 upon 13. Now we will find cube roots of decimal numbers. For example, we have to find cube root of 0.002197. So students, to find cube root of a decimal number, firstly we will remove decimal. So there are 6 numbers after decimal. So in denominator we have to put 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So cube root of 0.002197 is equals to cube root of 2197 upon 10 lakh. So now this is the form of cube root of x upon y. Now cube root of x upon y is equals to cube root of x upon cube root y. So cube root of this is equals to cube root of 2197 upon cube root of 10 lakh. Now we will find cube root of this number and this number by prime factorization method. So cube root of 2197 is 13 and cube root of 10 lakh is 100. So cube root of 0.002197 is equals to 13 upon 100, and that is equals to 0.13. Number of zeros in the denominator is 2. So we will place decimal after 2 numbers from right hand side. So 3, 1 point, this decimal. Now we have to find cube root of minus 216 into 4.096. Okay students, this is a negative number, and we know that cube root of a negative number is also a negative number. This is in the form of cube root of x into y. So cube root of x into y is equals to cube root of x into cube root of y. So cube root of this is equals to cube root of minus 216 into cube root of 4.096. So firstly we will find cube root of 216 by prime factorization method, that is equals to 6, and this is a negative number. So cube root of a negative number is also a negative number. So cube root of minus 216 is minus 6. Now this is a cube root of a decimal number. So firstly we will remove decimal, then we have to write cube root of 4096 upon 1000 because there are decimal after 3 numbers. So we have to put 3 zeros in the denominator. Now cube root of 4096 upon 1000 is equals to cube root of 4096 upon cube root of 1000, and that is equals to 16 upon 10. Cube root of 4096 is 16 by prime factorization method, and cube root of 1000 is 10. So we get 16 upon 10, and that is equals to 1.6. So cube root of 4.096 is 1.6. So minus 6 into 1.6, that is equals to minus 9.6. So cube root of this number is equals to minus 9.6. Now we will solve a question. Find the least number which when multiplied with the following numbers gives the product a perfect cube. Find the cube root of the product thus obtained. So given number is 16,875. Firstly, for this we will do prime factors of 16,875, and prime factors of this number is 3.3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we will make triplets, group of 3 same numbers, and group of 3 same numbers is 3 into 3 into 3, and another group is 5 into 5 into 5, and this triplet is incomplete. Since the triplet of 5 is incomplete, on multiplying 16,875 by 5 into 5, so to complete this triplet we have to multiply this by 5 into 5. So when we multiply 16,875 by 5 into 5, it means by 25, we obtain 4,21,875, which is a perfect cube. And when we find cube root of 4,21,875, then firstly we will do prime factors of this number, and prime factors of this number is equals to 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5. These are prime factors. So this is first triplet, this is second, and this is third triplet. So cube root of 4,21,875 is 3, 5 into 5, and which is equals to 75. Okay students, so this is your chapter cubes and cube roots. Now you have to solve your exercise 7.1 and 7.2, and if you face any problem in an equation, then you can ask me.